In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively bid and win auctions on eBay without breaking the bank. Whether you're an avid collector or just looking for a good deal, mastering the art of bidding can save you time and money. Let's dive right in and unravel the secrets of bidding on eBay. First things first, when you find an item you're interested in, you need to decide the highest amount you're willing to pay for it. This is a crucial step as it sets your budget and ensures you don't overspend in the heat of the auction. Take a moment to research the item's market value to make an informed decision on your maximum bid. Having a clear maximum bid prevents impulsive decisions driven by the excitement of the auction, helping you stick to your budget. Once you've determined your maximum bid, enter this amount into eBay. The platform has a nifty feature called automatic bidding, which is designed to simplify the process for you. So how does this work? Well, once you've entered your maximum bid, eBay will automatically place bids on your behalf incrementally up to your specified limit. This means you don't have to be glued to your screen. eBay's automatic system will keep monitoring the auction and make bids just high enough to keep you in the lead against other bidders. This is an excellent way to stay competitive while avoiding the frenzy of last-minute bidding wars, and it allows you to continue your day without constantly checking back on the auction. However, your involvement doesn't end here. It's essential to keep an eye on your bids during the auction duration. Markets fluctuate and circumstances may change, which might require you to refine your strategy. Although eBay does the heavy lifting, adjustments may be necessary based on the auction dynamics. Perhaps you notice a sudden uptick in interest for a particular item, or maybe another similar item has appeared at a more attractive price. Regularly monitor your bid status, compare prices, and make adjustments if you change your mind or find something more appealing elsewhere. To wrap up, setting your highest bid and letting eBay's automatic bidding manage the process can significantly streamline your experience, empowering you to remain competitive without getting caught up in the madness of live bidding. Just remember the two key takeaways: set a reasonable limit, informed by your budget and market research, and keep monitoring the auction from time to time to ensure everything aligns with your strategy. With these tips in hand, I hope you can approach your next eBay auction with